Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So as you can see we have several packages to unbox, so stay tuned for the next video. And for this video I will unbox some travel bags. So I ordered them from AliExpress, and let's see the size and the look of these bags. So I ordered two same bags but different color. As you can see they pack it nice, so you can save it even from water, I think, in this package. So let's see what we can fit here. Should be for charger, some basic stuff. It's pretty much small, but maybe for charger, and as you can see here, for SIM cards. For memory card also you can put them here. And from that, okay, let's try to put something. So you can put here, for example, your wallet. It can fit here. What else we have here? Let's try to put this travel charger. Okay, you can put it here. What else? And nothing more, pretty much. Okay, this watch. That is pretty much all. And let's try to put also the charger somewhere here. So for the USB you can put it like this. You have this, let's see. For example, like this. Let's try the charger here. Let's see, can we close this one? And as you can see, it can be closed, and it is full now. So that's all. This one is the same, just different color. I can show you. This one is gray and black, and this one is red and black. So what you prefer more, you can order. I will leave the links below. So as you can see, it is not too much big, but you can fit some basic stuff for traveling to organize yourself. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.